Hi, everyone. Welcome to Mindfulness Monday. Thank you so much for joining. All right, we're going to get started with our practice. So feel free to find a comfortable seat or you can lie down. So allowing yourself to settle into your body, giving yourself the space and time to connect to yourself and also to connect to the greater world. As you gently bring your awareness to your body, noticing your hips and pelvis resting on the chair beneath you, allowing yourself to feel safe and supported. Noticing your hands perhaps resting on your lap or the chair beneath you. Your clothes gently resting on your skin. Taking a nice big inhale through your nose. And then a big audible sigh out. Allowing yourself to settle in a bit further. And once you feel ready, I invite you to bring your awareness to your breath. As you breathe in, allowing the abdomen to expand fully. Allow the breath and the pressure to fill up, moving all the way down to the pelvis. And as you exhale, softening your body, exhaling out any excess tension that you might be holding on to. Breathing in again, filling completely, and then exhaling, softening, releasing any tension. And now I invite you to bring your awareness to the sounds around you. As you do this, noticing if the sounds are close by or they're distant. Are they loud or soft? Are you able to notice the sounds without judging them? Are you able to allow them to be part of your experience, not a distraction? And then noticing your emotions. Are there any emotions that are coming up for you? Whether that's happiness, joy, content, peacefulness, or frustration or anger or sadness. And you might not notice any emotions at all. And that's okay too. If you do notice any, are they being held in your body? Is there a particular area of tension or discomfort? And now noticing any thoughts. Thoughts so often are passing by like clouds in the sky, one to the next, to the next. Sometimes we get frustrated by all of the thoughts that are going on. But at this moment in time, allowing yourself to notice these thoughts without any judgment, even noticing the process of thinking itself. And now bringing your awareness to any physical sensations that are coming up for you. Is there any tension or discomfort or pain? And as you move your awareness throughout your body, starting from the top of your head, moving down towards your feet, scanning the body to notice if there is any tension or pain, if there's any other sensations like coolness or warmth, if there's any emotions that you might be holding on to. Moving your awareness from your face to your neck, shoulders, chest, abdomen, pelvis, thighs, knees, calves, ankles, and feet. If there's an area that you feel like needs more attention, allowing yourself this opportunity to breathe into that space. Soften. Letting go of anything that is not serving you. That may be a belief or a judgment or an emotion or a thought. As you sit here in silence and in stillness, allowing yourself to truly be in the totality of this experience, noticing what it feels like to be present with your emotions and your thoughts, and what you actually feel in your body. Noticing what it feels like to not be on autopilot, to not be running from one thing to the next, but to truly be present. Sometimes it can actually feel uncomfortable when we're present. And that's okay too. So please honor anything that comes up for you. So taking this moment to thank yourself for being here each and every week and dedicating this time towards cultivating mindfulness in your life and also those around you. And most importantly, showing up for you so that you can show up for everyone else. All right. So, for the intention or the practice this week, I wanted to do a craniosacral technique as well as vagus nerve. So many of you know about the vagus nerve, so I won't get into a lot of anatomy today, but we do have branches that come from when the vagus nerve exits the brainstem and it comes through this foramen. We actually have branches, sensory branches into the ear. And this can be a really great place to stimulate the vagus nerve and provide good information back to the brain. So there's a couple of different techniques. So So one technique is you grab the earlobe here and you pull back on an angle. So I'm going to pull back on a diagonal this way. And so I'll just get a little closer here. So like that. And then as I pull back and down, you can hold that until you have a sigh, a swallow, a yawn. Those are signs of relaxation of the nervous system. But you also might just feel a sense of relaxation. You might even feel a sense of warmth or even coolness, increased blood flow to the area. So all of these things are possible. And this technique, so if you just do one ear versus both ears at the same time, are actually two totally different techniques because of the influence on the cerebral spinal fluid. So that's one. And then the second one you can do is inside of the ridge of the ear here. So in this, like the top ridge, you can just do some gentle circles. So kiddos do this all the time. So this can be a really nice relaxation technique and stimulation of the vagus nerve. So these are great to do throughout the day. If you're feeling stressed, it can help you to regulate really quickly. Okay. So thank you so much as always for joining. I appreciate you, and feel free to join us every Monday at 5:30 on all the different platforms. So thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful evening. Have a great night. Oh, thanks, Mary. Thanks for joining. Yes, it is super interesting. And I do have a YouTube video on that too, so you can check it out. All right, everyone. You have a great one. Thank you.